Good morning, students. We are here today to show a presentation of examples of application of the math topics, random variables, and probability in real life. By definition in statistics, a random variable is a numerical description of the outcome of a statistical experiment. The probability is the measure of the likelihood of an event to happen. Let's go!
A continuous random variable is one which takes an infinite number of possible values. A discrete random variable is one which may take on only a countable number of distinct values such as 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Discrete random variables are usually counts.
Health insurance. Health insurance companies often use probability to determine how likely it is that certain individuals will spend a certain amount on healthcare each year. For example, a company might use factors like age, existing medical conditions, current health status, etc. to determine that there's a 90% probability that certain individual will spend $10,000 or more on healthcare in a given year. Individuals who are likely to spend more on healthcare will be charged higher premiums because the insurance company knows that they will be more expensive to insure.
Grocery store staffing. Another example. Grocery stores often use probability to determine how many workers they should schedule to work on a given day. For example, a grocery store may use a model that tells them there is a 75% chance that they'll have more than 800 customers come into the store on a given day. Based on this probability, they'll schedule a certain amount of workers to be at the store on that day to handle that many customers.
Number of items sold, discrete. One example of a discrete random variable is the number of items sold at a store on a certain day. Using historical sales data, a store could create a probability distribution that shows how likely it is that they sell a certain number of items in a day. For example, number of items 0, the probability is 0.004. Number of items 1, the probability is 0.023. Number of items 2, the probability is 0.065.
Another example of continuous random variable is the distance traveled by a certain wolf during migration season. This is a continuous random variable because it can take on an infinite number of values. For example, a wolf may travel 40.335 miles, 80.5322 miles, 105.59 miles, and etc. In this scenario, we could collect data on the distance traveled by wolves and create a probability distribution that tells us the probability that a randomly selected wolf will travel within a certain distance interval.
Thank you for watching.
Group members: Charles Golayan, Aimelin Gingob, Frances Buraga, Fritzical Simon, Precious Argonza, and Marvian Bautista.